What's up, guys? It's Rich with LaytonSportsCards.com ripping another box of 2013 5-star baseball. This is for Arman D. Good luck, Arman. Let's see what you got, man. Good luck. Here we go. We have a Robin Yount base card, 46 of 75. Very nice redemption, but it's a good hit. Jose Fernandez auto. Jose Fernandez auto. Very nice hit. After that, on-card auto, number to 333, Jose Bautista. Joey Bats. It's a nice hit. 311 of 333, Joey Bats, on-card auto. After that, on-card auto, Johnny Cueto. 40 of 386. A very nice hit coming up next. Holy shoot. Holy crap. You've got to be kidding me. All right, 4 of 15. 4 of 15 silver signings, Paul O'Neill. Beautiful card. Four of 15, Paul O'Neill. Sick hit. That is a beauty. I just tweeted out what we're about to pull. So, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. And it's got to be about 180 point. All right, here we go. Are you ready, Arman? Me too, dude. This is what, number 4? Number 5? 4. Fourth bat knob here, guys. Unbelievable. Holy crap. Derek Jeter. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's thicker than a 180. I don't even know what to put that in. There's no way that's gonna fit in a 180. It's thicker than that. Unbelievable, man. This is unbelievable. Congratulations, man. Arman, this is Arman's first night breaking with us. This is Arman's first night breaking with us, guys. Let's see what I can do here. That's probably too much. No. One second. Let's try 2. Perfect. Here we go. Unbelievable, man. Congrats, Arman. I don't even know what to say. Just congratulations. Birthday mojo tonight, guys. Unbelievable. Just congratulations, man. We're going to have to, if you want it shipped, we're going to have to insure the living crap out of it, so. Unbelievable.